Guys, would have had you on our first deck this morning. Well, we started at 12:30, 1 o'clock. But it was so windy you wouldn't have been able to hear anything, and it was irritating. So this is the second deck on the same house. It's an 8x10. I did the layout on 2-foot centers, marked them, put the other side up to it, and then transferred the marks across. Now I have them both exactly the same. Then we'll put the marks to the outside. I've already cut the, now the material's by is a 1.5. I cut 3 inches off for the total width to be 8 foot. So I cut to 93 inches and we'll end up with an 8-foot deck. So we'll cut to this being framed up, and then we'll go over there and fasten it to that wall, which we've already cut the trim out to do. And we'll be beginning. This is what we got done. If you notice, there's 3 screws per on the ends, so it's not likely to come apart. I've not had any, but we also added some screws here for expediency. When we get over there, we can run those screws in. It'll hold it until we get the lag bolts in. So right now, James and I are going to carry it over here, and then Tim's going to put the camera down, and he's going to come over and put the screws in while we hold it.
Alright. Make sure I got it positioned right.
We'll fall.
That'd be slick, especially on camera.
This way? There you go. Up. Bottom of that white. Yeah.
Just for that one on video. Did it get lighter, Dan?
Go ahead and put one in this. That was going to be bad to begin with. You get right into a knot. Go over. Let's go to the other side.
James is like, fuck it, I'm gonna let go.